Alright, it's time to pull a new machine up on the bench. I have had a ton of machines donated recently to my repair and rehome project. Obviously this one is in a wooden case. It's got the nice design on the side here, a cute blue stamped plastic artificial leather handle, and this is a Visetti. I did open this when the person dropped it off, and I've had a chance to look real quick online. The Visetti is a Japanese-made post-war clone, and some people think it's a possibly Toyota made, but as you can see, the cord here is cracked and bent and broken in this spot and taped up all over here, so we're definitely gonna have to replace that. The power, or the foot pedal, has a bunch of twists in it, so it's going to need all new wiring throughout. But it is a beautiful color and has a lot of lovely pinstripe details. It also has 3 presser foot settings here, and that seems to move. The belt is popped off, and that belt is very stretched out, so it will need a new belt. We'll have to measure that and see what size it is. The feed lever here moves, and the machine feels so nice. Oh, wow, okay. This is going to be such a joy to work on, but we're going to start by taking a list of all the parts we need. So I see there's the latch to hold the machine down in this box cabinet is broken, so we'll have to find a replacement tab for that. That door flips up, and the bobbin and bobbin case are not in the machine, but it has the hook. Let's see the accessory box here. Lovely tin accessory box. Oh, and here's the bobbin case with a bobbin in it. Okay. And what's in here? A zipper foot and a couple screwdrivers. Look at that. This is an advertising threader. Diety Wash, the original diaper service. Must be Chicago, Ravenswood and Hemlock. It's got the old style phone number where it's Ravenswood 8 4700 and Hemlock 4 3030. And on the back it's got needle threader instructions. Push threader through needle eye, pass loop through loop of threader, pass thread through loop of threader, withdraw threader. Can be used on sewing machines. Made in USA. And there's a few screwdrivers and spare needles in here. So, but first things first, I'm going to have to dig out the rewiring stuff and get it rewired, and order a belt and a clip for that cabinet, or for the carry case here. Let's tip it up and take a look underneath. Their original blue wiring for the motor to match the to match it. I don't know if this black wire is also original. It seems original. It does have a lamp on the back, and that's the wire for the lamp. But first things first, we'll have to get rewiring on that, because there's no way to test anything with that brittle wire that's just going to short out and possibly electrocute us. So finding parts and getting ready to rewire is the next step.